You said that you're in Sacramento. Is that what you said?
Where the hell am I? Hold on. Where am I?
Where are you heading to?
San Francisco. Damn, I took a little while ago. I'm closer to Eureka, California than I am in anything else. I'm pretty much between Eureka, like halfway between Eureka, California, and I think Ukiah, California. I'm on the 101.
Okay. Then maybe I'm trying to get a job to Sacramento.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we'll catch up later.
Okay.
See what happens.
Yeah.
Also, do you have the fatigue on or off?
I have it off.
You have it off?
Yeah.
I do the same thing. Good.
Taking a backhoe loader. To somewhere in Sacramento. This realistic companies thing is kind of cool.
Yeah, so it uses all like the same, and it's kind of easy to kind of tell where you're going too, because like there's some random game companies on the thing. You're like, but then I don't know, you're taking something to from like the Walmart somewhere to like a FedEx somewhere else, or the opposite way. So it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of more like realistic in that sense.
Yeah. I like it. It's nice. It's a nice little touch. Just about to go pick up here, and then should be on our way. Yesterday, I think it was yesterday when I was playing, I had this pretty rough pickup. It's a pretty tight spot, and for some reason, I could not figure out how to reverse into the spot. Yeah, it's pretty bad. There's a Walmart little trailer in front of me. That's kind of cute. Did I tell you I had to move my mic to the side, to the cabinet on the side?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, because I guess it was just picking up me turning the wheel.
I see.
And I'm like, I was like listening to the recording back, and I was like, what is that noise? Like, why does it sound like crap? And I thought it was like, like my breathing, and like I was pretty sure, like, this is a cheap microphone from TikTok or whatever I got it from, but I thought like it wasn't this bad. I didn't think it was, at least. All right, my pickup spot is over here somewhere. Ah, cabrón. Ah, okay, that makes it easy.
Yeah, over here there's like a Kiwi and a Walmart.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be delivering to that Kiewit.
Over here in Ukiah or where?
Sacramento, I think. But it might be that one.
Okay.
So you can just stay there.
We'll have to go to San Francisco to finish this. California dreaming.
All right, picked up the load, and here we come. I got a backhoe. Sucker. This whole 55-mile-an-hour speed limit is pretty rough.
Oh yeah, in California.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness
yeah,
gracious.
fucking sucks.
Oh, a truck route. Okay, on I-5. Is this the truck route? Oh, truck must exit, huh? Okay.
Where are you going to?
Sacramento.
Okay.
I got the cruise control. I just got my hand on the wheel. At 55 miles an hour. Oh my god. Going downhill over here at 35 miles per hour. Is the speed limit for trucks. Bunch of bullshit. Ah shit, this ain't it. Or not. Oh shit, that was supposed to be the way I was supposed to go.
Shit, son.
Sorry.
Sorry. Come on.
I thought I saw the little green arrows pointing to the left. Bakersfield.
You're in Bakersfield?
Yeah. There's not a whole lot out here.
In Bakersfield or where?
I think so. Just outside of Bakersfield somewhere. Yeah. Like south of Fresno, coming up on Huron.
Oh yeah. Oh bitch. That's what we call a good quality.
Quality.
Yeah, quality.
That's what's up.
Yeah, quality. It, actually, it wasn't too bad. The big ass yard, I just went straight that way and then backed in.
Ooh, there's a bus on fire or something over here.
Oh, you have some of the road incidents on or some shit?
I think so.
I think I completely turned them off. Okay, well, I've officially been in every state. Well, actually, no, I have not. I haven't been to Wyoming yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice. I've been to. Well, I think I've been to pretty much every state that I have on the base game plus Colorado, except for Nevada, I
There's
think.
there's a map right there. I've been to Dallas and back pretty much. Uh, went all the way to freaking Eureka, California. With the fuck out here? And then I'm now making my way down south to San Fran. I'm on.
There you go. Okay. Is this the way it's gonna be for California? I want to get the hell out of California.
I know. California is so big. Right. Let's see what we got in San Fran.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. San Fran and Wichita Falls, mano. God damn. 1,600 miles.
Oh shit.
I know. Yeah, so I only have like my skills, the long distance to 4. I have high value cargo all the way upgraded, and then I have 1 each on fragile cargo and just in time.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'll take a look at my stats here in a little bit, and I'll tell you.
Great.
Uh, which one was the one you like best?
Well, considering we didn't have too much of the map anyway, that's why I didn't go too much farther uh on like the distance thing,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but I just like high value cargo just because it's I think what pays the best.
What kind of cargo?
The high value.
Uh huh. Yeah. High value and also like heavy cargo. I've noticed. I think those are the ones that pay the best.
Mhm.
So that's why I got a drop deck trailer. Because
Okay.
if you just go and pick up, then it's better. It's more money. But yeah, it kind of sucks with like the whole. I don't know how the states thing. I want to get uh, Utah. I think getting Utah would be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think. Well, California, Nevada, and Arizona come with the base game. So yeah, I just wanted to fill in the gaps with Colorado. Yeah, I got Utah, New Mexico straight away pretty much.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I want to get those. Probably Utah, just to like so I can kind of get back to Colorado kind of easy.
Yeah.
And then after that, New Mexico, and then probably Texas.
Mm.
Um, I really like to see Texas. I think it'd be kind of cool
It is like $18, so
for Texas.
in Texas, yeah, it's
Goodness
huge.
gracious!
Texas is so huge.
So, what is this? This these lights that you're saying? How do they work? This lights mod?
Yeah, so it gives you more. Well, like they're just bigger, so uh,
Okay. Do I have to buy anything new for the truck, or does it just come with it?
I think it just comes with it.
All right.
Like to go out further.
Well, it hasn't exactly gotten all the way dark out here, so maybe that's why I'm like, take a little screenshot for the gram. I'm alright. Gonna get this thing delivered, and then probably go to bed.
Okay. I kind of want to find a job that's like all just interstate. Because those fucking back road piece of shit fucking suck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, you. Hey, I am in. I don't want to go to the fall. Hey, this LACA.
Backing up my load here at a construction site, which is kind of cool. Just
Oh,
backing it
yeah.
up on the side of the road. Yeah. Dang. Go get some gas so that I'm ready for the next time I play.
I know, right? Seriously. I do that too.
Okay, I'm looking at my skills. I have explosives and then the flammable ones and flammable liquids. So explosives, gases, and flammable liquids. I have 2 on the long distance. I have high value cargo, 3 of them.
Uh-huh.
Fragile cargo is 3. Just in time is 2, and then fuel economy I have nothing.
Oh yeah, I don't have any either. I might start doing the fuel economy too. Especially as I grow my the map and shit a little bit. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.